got here today is a 2015 model 7210R. Good looking tractor. It's got brand new rubber on it. It does not have duals. It has 18 446s. They're alliances. 4 remotes. Got the triple PTOs. Quick hitch. Got some wheel weights in there. Extremity lights. That's standard. Is auto track ready, of course. Got some front weights on there. We bought this tractor last fall. We've used it a little bit. Probably put 50, 75 hours on it is all. We'll probably service it before it leaves. I've not cleaned the cab out since last fall. So you can see my dirt and the hitch pin laying over there somewhere. Seat got a little wear to it, but not bad looking. This tractor had when we serial number checked it, had a new transmission or IVT in it. I should say IVT. At 31 or 3,200 hours, something like that. I'd have to run it again. 6,400 on it right now. Doesn't have any codes. Good looking tractor. Runs out good. So, but yeah, if you're interested in it, give me a call. 563-920-4405. Thanks for looking.